Good morning and welcome to the National Weather Service. This is meteorologist J.J. Wood with an update on the potential for severe storms tonight across southern Wisconsin. This first graphic we're showing is a graphic of the timing of the storms that we're expecting across the area. The graphic on your left shows the timing as they arrive into the area. Looks like areas west of Madison between about 7 and 9 p.m. Areas from about Monroe through Madison up to Montello between about 9 and 11 p.m. this evening. And then areas to the east of there, including the Milwaukee area up towards Sheboygan, from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. So again, this is when the storms we expect to arrive in the area. On the right is when we expect the storms to depart the area. Generally speaking, 1 to 3 a.m. west of Madison, 3 to 5 a.m. in Madison, and down towards Monroe and Janesville, and then about 5 to 7 a.m. toward Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, and up towards Sheboygan. These are approximate times. They might vary a little bit, but this is what we're expecting at the moment. We may see some showers linger after these times on the right, but we're expecting the thunderstorm and the severe weather risk to end at this point. Here's a map showing the slight risk for severe weather across southern Wisconsin for tonight from the Storm Prediction Center. The main hazards we're expecting are damaging winds of 60 miles an hour, large hail to 1 inch in diameter, and the possibility for heavy rainfall, especially if storms move over the same area repeatedly. We could certainly see rainfall amounts in excess of 1 inch in these areas. And again, slight risk just means that scattered severe storms are possible. Mainly, again, we're expecting strong damaging winds and some large hail as well as heavy rain with this event. And lastly, here's a rainfall forecast across the area for this event for mainly tonight. We're expecting rainfall amounts generally 3/4 of an inch up to maybe 1.5 inches, depending on where you are. And again, this is more of a broad scale amount of rain that we're expecting. We certainly could see higher amounts again in areas where we get storms moving over the same areas repeatedly. We could see amounts well in excess of 1 inch, maybe even up to 1.5 inches, 2 inches in these localized areas. So please keep that in mind with these storms as they move through the area tonight. Thank you very much for joining us this morning, and stay tuned to the National Weather Service for the latest weather information.